Hello, my friends. Welcome to the channel Ads with Loveneek. So today I am starting a new video series in which we will cover how you can generate quality leads for your gym or local clients. So it will help you if you are marketing for your any local business and if it is gym specifically. Okay. So today I will share how I run campaigns for such businesses and you can do the same for your client to give them maximum result possible from their advertising budget. Now here as you can see it is last month performance and there are two campaigns, one is awareness campaign and one is the lead gen campaign. So we will go in the part one I will cover the awareness campaign, how I have set up this campaign, and in the part two we will be covering like how you can create a lead gen campaign for your gym business. Now the first thing is why I have created two campaigns, one for awareness and one for lead gen campaigns. So for such local businesses, the thing is that the area that you will be targeting will be much smaller in size, because if we consider gym as an example, as our example, so let's say if there is a gym, so people in a radius of let's say around 5 kilometers or max to max 10 kilometers only will come to the gym, or majority of them only come to the gym if it comes under their 10-kilometer radius, right? Or ideally it should be 5 kilometers. So we have a much smaller space or area to target. That's why we can afford to run a awareness campaign as well. And how it will help is it will help us reach the maximum number of people who are available on Meta, and we can show them our ads or gym related content to get some traction from them as well, and to build the awareness. Now I will also tell you about something that you can do differently for your awareness campaign. I haven't done in this campaign, but you can surely do it. So now we will go under the campaign and I will show you the settings. And before that, you can just see that last month I spent somewhere around 1479, like 1500 on this campaign, and this is the number that I have reached with this campaign. Now let's go to the campaign and I will show you how I have done the campaign settings. Now the campaign name you can write accordingly. Buying type will remain auction. We don't need reservation buying type here. The campaign objective I have selected is awareness. Now the daily budget is 100, as I mentioned that the targeted area is much smaller in the size, so even 100 rupees daily is more than enough. Or you can increase or decrease as per your client requirements, right? And this is your budget, then there is no spending limit added, and the bid strategy is highest volume and you can use the same bid strategy, and there is no budget scheduling at all. Now special ed category is not for this business, so none selected, and if even if it is, then even if you don't select it, it won't affect much, so you can ignore this part. Now let's go to the ad set setting. So in the ad set setting, here you can see what I have selected is the performance goal here is maximize reach of ads. So this is also this is not something which is wrong or something like that. But what I would suggest you is, and what I will do for this client as well in coming weeks, is I will optimize the campaign for ad recall lift instead of just reach. And why I'm saying that, why do we need to select ad recall lift for such campaigns when marketing for such businesses, is that because ad recall lift is a metric which helps us build ad recall in our audience's mind, so that they will remember seeing our ad if they have seen our ads in last 2 days. So it is a metric that tells you that okay, these many people will remember your ads seeing after 2 days time. So this is a very important and crucial metric for such businesses, local businesses or gym, or businesses like that, local businesses basically. So this what this gonna do is, let's say if you have a gym and you have optimized your ads for ad recall lift here instead of reach, so what it will do is, let's say it will make them remember that they have seen your ad. And let's say if they are in this mindset of changing a gym or joining a gym, then they will remember seeing your ad only, and the chances are that they will contact you directly, right? So that's why this is the very important metric. And still and when marketing for such businesses, you can always optimize for ad recall lift instead of the maximize reach of ad option. Okay, now Facebook page, you can select it as per your business. There is no cost per result added, and I won't recommend you either. You can keep it as is. Okay, and frequency cap, you can keep it as default. As I mentioned, the targeted area is very small, so you don't have to increase the frequency or anything like that, because it will be your always on campaign. So you don't have to do such thing, because it is not like that you will run this campaign for say 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I would recommend you to keep it active always, and because the budget also is just 100 rupees a day, so it won't be a negative negative thing for your business. Now let's check the other settings which I have done in the. Now here I haven't selected any dynamic creative, since it is an awareness campaign. I have used a video ad, and I would recommend the same to you as well. Use the video ad only for your awareness campaigns. Now the schedule, you can do it accordingly, whatever works best for you. Okay, and now here we comes in the audience section. So under the audience section, what I have done is, if you see under the locations, I have selected the uh, pin drop targeting. So what I have done is, I have targeted only 3 miles across the gym, so it is not more than 3. So you can do it in the same way, and once you have build a good awareness in that area, you can increase your radius targeting by 1 mile or 2 mile accordingly, as per the performance of your campaigns. But ideally, you can select 5 kilometers radius, and it will be more than enough for you. Now minimum age is 18, as it is a gym. Then in the retail targeting, this is haven't touched this and not this as well. I have kept them open, and you can do the same, because again, this is a very small region that we are targeting, area that we are targeting, so you don't have to do much of the technical stuff here to or maybe if for your business you might be need to do that, but for gym I don't think there is a need to add any age or gender, so you can also keep that open. Now in the detailed targeting, I have just added some generic interest like fitness services, strength training, bodybuilding, physical exercise, physical fitness, weight training. Okay, and you can do it in the same way. And even if the audience size is much smaller, then you can also ignore these interests as well. You can just run a awareness campaign in your case, if that is the case, right? But if the audience size is good enough, then you can add the interest. But here you don't have to do this narrow targeting, or do any such kind of thing that will just decrease your audience size significantly, because it will result in high cost of CPM and the high cost per thousand people reached, so which is not beneficial. So for such type of businesses, keep your targeting open and just add a few interest if still your targeting, if still the audience size is good enough. As in here you can say it is 2 million to 2.5 million, so it is a much broad audience, and I don't have to if even if I run add some interest, so it will be just good for me, not a bad thing. Now here in the placement section, I have just selected advantage place placement, no optimization done here, or I have not done any exclusions. So this is how you can also run a awareness campaign for your client who have a well gym, or they want to advertise for their gym, right? And in the video, I cannot show you the video, what exactly the video I'm using here, but just to let you know, it is a video where the owner of the gym is giving a walkthrough of the gym, and just showing them how the gym looks, what are the facilities, what are the amenities, or what are the USPs of the gym, all these things. So you can create the video in a same way, and the results will be good for you as well. So this is it for this video, guys, and in the part 2 of this series I will show you how I have created the lead gen campaign, which has helped me get quality leads for my client. So I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.